Good morning to all of you, my dears. I wish you are very well at your home. Students, today we are going to discuss about a topic of grammar named narration. The students who belong to class 9th, CBSE affiliated schools, in your syllabus the topic has been provided or prescribed by the board. Dear students, what is narration? Narration, the sentence or the statement spoken or written by someone. It has two parts. Narration has two parts. One part is direct narration and second part is indirect narration. Dear students, you have to get it. The students who belong to English medium schools, they have to know what is narration and how do we change a direct speech sentence or direct narration into indirect speech. Narration, the another name of the topic narration is direct indirect, and the third name is reported or reporting, reported speech. Dear students, we get direct narration or direct speech in examination, and we have to change it into indirect narration. We have to know here what are the rules to change direct narration into indirect narration. थोड़ा हिंदी में बात करते हैं। नरेशन के दो भाग होते हैं। स्टेटमेंट, किसी व्यक्ति के द्वारा कहा गया कथन, जिसके दो रूप होते हैं, प्रत्यक्ष कथन और अप्रत्यक्ष कथन। परीक्षा में डायरेक्ट नरेशन या डायरेक्ट स्पीच आता है और उसे हम इनडायरेक्ट नरेशन या इनडायरेक्ट स्पीच में चेंज करते हैं। डियर स्टूडेंट्स, हाउ डू वी change a direct speech sentence into indirect speech? कहने का मतलब डायरेक्ट स्पीच इनडायरेक्ट में कैसे चेंज करते हैं? फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, वी हैव टू नो डायरेक्ट स्पीच. The sentence or direct speech, direct narration has two parts. One part is called reporting verb, and the second part is reported speech. The part in short known as RV and the part is known as RS. My dear students, direct narration has two parts. One is reporting verb, second is reported speech. Reporting verb is known as outsider part and reported speech is known as insider part. Why? What is the reason that we say or know as insider part and outsider part? Because reported speech RS is inside the inverted commas and RV is outside the inverted commas. This is why we know the clause RV outsider part, RS insider part. Here or next we have to know how do we change RS and RV. Means to say, how do we change a direct speech or direct narration sentence into indirect narration. You are getting it, perhaps it seems. How do we change a direct speech sentence into indirect speech? You have to look at the blackboard attentively. Raj said to me, what are you doing here? This is the sentence of direct speech or direct narration. My dear students, this clause or the part is RV and the part is RS. RV and RS. RV and RS, outsider and insider part. The full form of the word RV means reporting verb and RS reported speech. We have to know, dear students, first of all, we have to change RV clause, but we never change the subject and the object of RV. Mind it? First of all, we change RV clause, not RS. But in RV, we do not change the subject and the object. Never. We will write Raj in place of Raj. We will write me in place of me. Means to say we do not change the subject and the object. कहने का मतलब प्रिय विद्यार्थियों, आरवी को बदलते हैं सबसे पहले, लेकिन आरवी के कर्ता व कर्म को बदलते नहीं हैं, वर्ब को बदलते हैं. वी चेंज ओनली द वर्ब. हम केवल किसको बदलते हैं? वर्ब को बदलते हैं, क्रिया को बदलते हैं. नेक्स्ट, राज. हाउ डू वी चेंज द वर्ब? If there is she, shays and said in RV, in RV there is she, shays and said, then we do not change the verb. But if there are or there is two preposition behind the verb. Here two preposition means if there is an object here, then we change she to into tell, shays to into tells and said to into told. Get it? Okay dears. आरवी को बदलते हैं. आरवी में से, सेज, सैड आता है तो बदलते नहीं हैं, लेकिन इस से, सेज, सैड के बाद में टू प्रपोजिशन आता है, कहने का मतलब कर्म आता है, तो हम इन्हें टेल, टेल्स, टोल्ड में बदल देते हैं. यू आर गेटिंग इट, इट सीम्स. इफ एनी प्रॉब्लम परसिस्ट देन यू कैन कॉन्टैक्ट और यू कैन राइट इन कमेंट बॉक्स. डियर स्टूडेंट्स, we change the RV clause first, but we never change the subject and the object. Okay dear students, in RV we do not change say, sage and said, but if there is any object, means to say two preposition behind the verb, then we change say to into tell, sage to into tells and said to into told. But dear students, if there is question mark behind the RS clause, means to say if RS clause is interrogative if RS clause is interrogative, then we change the RV clause like the way asked, asks and asked. Dear students, if there is any question mark or the sentence or the clause is interrogative, then we change say or say to into ask, says or says to into asks, said or said to into asked. When there is any question mark behind the clause. If the clause is interrogative, then we change these verbs into ask, asked and asked. If there is any object here or not, कोई भी कर्म यहाँ है या नहीं है, हम इन्हें किस में बदलेंगे? आस्क, आस्क और आस्क में बदलेंगे। लेकिन कब? जब पीछे क्या होता है? प्रश्नवाचक चिन्ह होता है। ओके स्टूडेंट्स, यहां से आगे नेक्स्ट, द फर्स्ट रूल हैज बीन कंप्लीटेड। माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स, वी हैव टू राइट हियर राज and here said to will be changed into asked. The word is always pronounced as asked, not asked. And here me, we need a connector while connecting the RV and RS clause. First of all, we apply connector that second if or whether, third WH or Howard, and fourth is to. We apply to preposition as a connector in imperative sentences. If RS clause is imperative, then we apply connector to. But my dear students, if RS clause is interrogative and starts with any WH or how word, then we apply the same WH or how word as a connector. Second, if or whether. If the sentence or the clause, RS clause, start with any helping verb, are you doing here? Interrogative sentence, yes no type question, then we apply or write if or whether as a connector. But if RS clause has an affirmative sentence or negative sentence, then we apply connector that. Dear students, ये वाक्य अफर्मेटिव या नेगेटिव हो तो दैट लगाते हैं, इंटरोगेटिव प्रश्नवाचक होता है, यस नो टाइप क्वेश्चन तो इफ या वेदर लगाते हैं, WH से प्रारंभ होता है, जैसे कि ये प्रारंभ हुआ है तो हम उसी WH हाउ शब्द को लगाते हैं, और यदि ये इंपेरेटिव होता है तो हम क्या लगाते हैं? टू प्रपोजिशन कनेक्टर के रूप में लगाते हैं। चलिए आगे चलते हैं। Here the same WH word will be used as a connector. यहां हम उसी WH शब्द को कनेक्टर के रूप में लगा देंगे। Next, after the connector, if the connector is that, if or whether, WH word, after the connector we always write the subject of RV, always. If we are applying connector that, then the subject will be here. We are applying if or whether, then the subject will be in the second place. But the sentence begins with a WH or how word, then we will get the subject on the third place. Okay dears, here we will apply WH word as a connector. The subject here is you. We change the pronoun in reported speech. And the pronouns are divided in first, second and third. First, subject, object, possessive, reflexive. Subject, I, object, me, us. Possessive, my, our. Mine, ours. Reflexive, myself, our shelves. Second person, you. These are the second person pronouns. Your, yours, yourself and yourselves. Third person, he, she, it, they. He, him, his, himself. She, her, hers, herself. And it, its, itself. And they, them, their, theirs, them, shells. This is your pronoun table. We use the pronoun table. Dear students, if there is first person pronoun in RS, then we change it according to the subject of RV. Second person pronoun changed according to the object of RV. And the third person pronouns are never changed. We never change these pronouns. But mind it, if you find second person pronoun in RS, then we change it according to the object of RV. And first person pronouns are changed according to the subject of RV. Here we see you as a subject. It is the second person pronoun will be changed according to the object. Object here me. Then we change object into the subject. And what is the subject of me? The subject of me will be I. Then we will write here I. Means to say we change you into I. Next, there is helping verb. Dear students, here if there is past tense in RV, if there is present and future tense, then we do not change the tense of RS. But if there is any past tense in RV, means to say there is said in RV, then we change the tense of RS. How? We change complete present tense into past. Means to say present indefinite into past indefinite. Present continuous or progressive into past continuous progressive. Present perfect into past perfect. Present perfect continuous into past perfect continuous. And we change past indefinite into past perfect. Past continuous into past perfect continuous. If there is any model, we change can into could, may into might, shall into should. Okay dears, will into would, and could, would, should, might are never changed. We write or change must into must or must into had to. Okay, dears? I, and after the subject we will write helping verb. Are is changed into was or were. Present continuous tense, we change it into past continuous. Is RM, it changed into was were. We will write here was, doing, and the last change is time and space. Time and space, if there are the words of timing and that expresses any space. ऐसे शब्द जो किसी समय या जगह को प्रकट करते हैं उनको हम चेंज करते हैं. एज, हेयर इंटू देयर, नाउ इंटू देन, जस्ट इंटू देन, हेंस इंटू देंस, हाइदर इंटू दाइदर, टुडे इंटू दैट डे, टुनाइट इंटू दैट नाइट, लास्ट और प्रीवियस डे, लास्ट और यस्टरडे इंटू प्रीवियस डे, tomorrow into the next day. Okay, dears, like the way this into that, these into those, here into there, now into then, yesterday or last day into the previous day, today into that day, tonight into that night, or tomorrow into the next day. Okay, dears, here into there. We remove all the symbols, means to say we remove the simple comma, inverted commas, and any question mark, interrogative mark, or any interjection from the sentence while changing the sentence into indirect ones. This is the sentence of indirect speech. Okay, dears, with these words I finish or complete my class. Thank you.